Mommy texted me.
Hey Alex, show us how you dip. Yummy, yummy.
What are these? Which one is? Do you know what there are? What the different sauces are?
Where's sour? Where's sour?
Where's ketchup? Where's honey mustard? Where's barbecue sauce? Which one you like the best? Ketchup.
You're gonna dip all your fries in those?
Fries and chicken nuggets.
Oh, you're gonna do the nuggets too?
Do all of them with the chicken nuggets.
Yummy, yummy.
It's a good recipe, Alex.
Good. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.